7 amazing facts about your eyes. Did you know your eye color is controlled by the level of melanin in your iris? If you have blue eyes, then you share a common ancestor with every other blue-eyed person in the world. Your eye contains 107 million cells which are sensitive to light. Did you know that 20/20 vision just means your vision is normal? If you wore glasses which flipped images upside down, your brain would correct your vision. On average, you blink 17 times per minute, 14,280 times in a 14-hour day and 5.2 million times a year. They say, in the blink of an eye, because it's the fastest muscle in your body.